Hey everyone, this video is going to be a little bit different. In school today, some friends and I were playing with holiday-themed AI prompts, and one of the results that came back for me was a list of Microsoft 365 tips with a holiday theme. The one that stood out the most to me was the suggestion to use the Praise app to offer some positivity and encouragement at the end of the year. As I was talking with my friends, I realized that most of them didn't even know the Praise app existed, much less how to use it. So I figured I would do a video to walk us through it. To get started, I've navigated to Microsoft Teams and I've chosen a channel in one of my teams. When you're creating a message, at the end of the bar, you will see this plus sign for Actions and Apps. From that list, under the Apps section towards the bottom, you can choose Praise. Now, because I tested this first before actually turning on the camera, Praise is at the top of my list. If you don't see it, just use the search bar to pull it to the top of your list. When you select it, it's going to open up a dialog box, and the first thing you're going to do is type the name of the person you want to send the praise to. This is still a test environment, so in this example, I'm going to use Adele. The next thing that you're going to do is select one of the titles, which essentially equates to the badge that they'll receive from the Praise app. And there's several to choose from. For this one, I'm just going to choose Awesome. And then you have the option to add a note, which I like to do so I can personalize it a little bit instead of a generic, "You're awesome" badge. And then at the bottom, you have a few gradients to choose from for the background. And I'm just going to pick this emerald green one. And then all you need to do is click Send at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. So now we have a new post in our channel that contains the praise card and message for everybody to see. Adele is going to get a notification that a praise has been sent to her because notice here at the bottom of the post, her name was added as part of an @ mention. If adding praise to a Teams channel is not appropriate for the way your organization uses Teams, you can still send somebody a card, but just do it privately through a chat message. So in my chat section, I'm just going to select Alex this time, and it's still the same thing. You're going to go to the message box, and at the very end, just click Actions and Apps. So there you go. That's a fun way that you can recognize your coworkers for all the help and support that they've given you throughout the year. So this is the after video part. This video is the perfect example of why I don't normally put myself on camera at the same time as I'm demonstrating a concept, because it's actually kind of hard to maintain contact with the camera, make sure I say things correctly without stuttering and all that other stuff that would just make the video confusing, and click the buttons at the right time in the right order. But I thought I'd do something a little bit different for the last video of the year. And just to close it out, thank you so much for watching all of my videos this year. I'll see you in the next one.